Hello everyone, I'll be teaching you how you can reserve your business name and register it online. In this tutorial, I would like you to follow me closely. What we'll be doing here, let's assume you are just registering, you have not registered before. You click on register, the sign up form will come up. So you go to first name, last name, middle name, date of birth, gender, select your gender, male or female, your nationality, whichever way, you continue, your phone number, your NIN number, your email address, your username, your password, and you confirm your password. You put in your contact address, state, and all what's not. But if you have already registered before, you just go to login here. Then you put in your username, you type in your password, and you click login. Say don't save. Let's assume we are just doing our business name reservation, because you have to reserve your business name for you to proceed to the registration. Then you go to new name reservation. You type in the classification of what you want to do, if it is business name, company, or incorporated trustee. What we'll be doing here is business name. Then you type in your proposed business name. You put the option 2, that's if necessary, or it's not necessary. The only important one here is the option 1. But if option 1 does not exist, if someone has used this option 1 before, they will need to consider your option 2. Then you click save and continue. You put in your objectives. I won't be proceeding because it's going to be piling up on my dashboard. You click on objectives of your business. Your details will pop up here because it's your account. Then you will see a preview of how it will look like after putting the necessary details. Then after that, you proceed to the payment page. You'll be redirected to a remitter page where you make payment of 500 naira for the reservation, and the reservation lasts for 60 days. After 60 days and you do not pay, continue to register your business, then your money is off it. That will be for the name reservation. Let me quickly go to my dashboard and show you how you can do the company registration. You say new company registration. Okay, once you reserve your business name, you receive a notification that it has been reserved. You see a reservation code, that's the availability code. You type it here. Once you type your availability code, another thing will pop up for you to proceed to register your company. Then you will see the necessary documents you'll be needing and the ones you'll be uploading to the portal. I would like to stop here because some other details will be personal, but if you have issues, you can contact me. Thank you.